Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a supported card and an updated iPhone SE. Once ready, open Wallet and tap the plus sign to add a card. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. This ties the card to your account securely. Make sure your bank supports Apple Pay. If they require verification, you'll see that step next. Start now so you move straight into adding the actual card without delays. You'll either scan the card with the iPhone SE camera or type the numbers manually. Once entered, Wallet asks for billing address and the card's expiration and CVV. After that, your bank must verify the card. This usually uses an SMS code, email link, or the bank's app approval. Once the verification code is accepted, Wallet shows the card as active. Make sure to leave your phone connected to the internet during verification so the process doesn't. When you're ready to pay in a store, unlock your iPhone SE, hold the top of the phone near the contactless reader, and rest your finger on Touch ID to authenticate. The payment completes when you see Done. Once done, make sure your preferred card is set as default in Wallet settings for faster checkout. If a payment fails, first check iOS and Wallet status, restart the phone, and if necessary, rerun the bank verification. Contacting your card issuer will resolve most hold or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.